Ladies and gentlemen, the blood and sand cocktail, and the base of this is Scotch. Okay, ice in our glass, followed up with some Scotch. Come behind that Scotch with some sweet vermouth. Ooh, yeah. Okay, and then hit it with some cherry herring brandy. Okay, and then we come behind it with some orange juice. This is a really cool drink because for a long time people weren't using Scotch in mixes, so it's good to see like a classic cocktail that used Scotch way back in the day. It's becoming a lot more common now as mixologists begin to get into it, but most bars you would never find a cocktail that had a Scotch base to it, okay? Because people would just drink it straight or drink it on the rocks, maybe a little bit of soda water, something like that, and that's it. So, and it's a fun drink. It's cool, it's delicious, so I suggest you give this one a try. And for all your party needs, all your Scotch needs, you come right here to tipsybartender.com. Later.